If your body got worse when you tried to heal, this video is not here to convince you of anything. It's here to orient you, because the most dangerous place to be in healing is not sick, it's confused. So if you're exhausted, overwhelmed, or afraid to try again, start here. Let me be clear about who this video is for. This is for women who have tried to heal responsibly, followed the rules, took advice seriously, and still got worse. This is not for extreme protocols or quick fixes or punishment-based healing. No pain, no gain kind of thinking. We're not doing that here. If your body is sensitive, reactive, or overwhelmed, you're in the right place. Step 1 is to stop adding input. The first place to start is not action, it's reduction. Before you fix anything, pause. New supplements, new protocols, new restrictions, new advice, not forever, just long enough for your system to breathe. Healing can't begin while your body is bracing. Step 2, we're going to reestablish safety. Your body heals when it feels predictable. Safety comes from regular meals, adequate nourishment, getting a good night's sleep, needs to be consistent, gentle movement, and less decision load. Try to reduce your stress. This isn't lazy. This is strategic. Safety is the foundation for capacity. So step 3 is to observe without judgment. Instead of asking, what should I do next? Ask, what happens when I do less? Notice, how do you sleep? How is your digestion? How are you handling stress? How reactive are you feeling? This observation phase is not passive, it's diagnostic. Most people skip these steps because they feel too simple, but simple doesn't mean ineffective. It means foundational. You can't layer healing on top of chaos. You build healing from the ground up. So here's where I'm honest with you. Some bodies can't heal in isolation anymore. Not because you failed, but because your system needs pacing, feedback, and support. Guidance prevents overcorrection, protects capacity, and reduces fear, while also helping to hopefully shorten recovery cycles. This is where structured support matters. I help women identify which phase they're actually in, stabilize without fear, rebuild capacity safely, and stop guessing, stop cycling, not with extreme protocols, with pacing, education, and trust building. If that resonates, you'll know what to do next. Subscribe, like, and share. If this series felt like someone finally understood your body, this wasn't an accident. You're not broken. You're not behind. You're just ready for a different approach. So start here. I'll see you in the next series.